In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a DocuSign envelope report. As we begin, let's dive right into the process to make sure you're equipped with the knowledge needed to seamlessly navigate through your DocuSign account. First and foremost, locate the Report tab within your DocuSign interface. This is your gateway to accessing any reports related to the actions and activities associated with your current account. It's here where you'll gain a comprehensive overview of all the important data you might need. Once you're in the report section, it's time to focus on the envelope reports, which are pivotal for monitoring your transactions. To find these, look over to the left panel and select the envelopes section. This will present you with several options, and you'll need to determine the specific type of envelope report you require. Once you've made that decision, click on the View button next to the envelope report type you're interested in analyzing further. In some instances, you might not see an immediate display of data. Fear not, as this is completely normal. All you have to do is click on the Run Report button. This will start the generation process for your report, pulling together all pertinent data to create a clear picture of your envelope activities. Running a report can be essential, especially if you're looking to evaluate recent activities or transactions that haven't yet reflected in your account. After your report has generated, you're ready to download it. To do so, navigate to the top right corner of the table where you'll find a download button. A simple click on this button will initiate the download process, and your report will be saved as a CSV file. CSV files are incredibly versatile and easy to manage, allowing you to open them in applications like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets for further analysis. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully downloaded a DocuSign envelope report. This skill ensures you can keep track of vital information and maintain a solid record of all envelope transactions within your DocuSign account. Remember, staying organized and having quick access to reports is crucial for efficient account management. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide easy to follow and helpful in navigating your DocuSign reports. If you have any more questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, feel free to explore additional resources or seek support for deeper insights.